Good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach aftermarket update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Monday, July 18th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the room, we had two trades in the ES, two winners in crude. We had one nice winner, one small winner or break even, and I'm going to go through everything we had here. First one in crude, we had a short 45.60. Now I told everybody crude was down about 3% at this time, and I told everybody that we're not playing around with this. I said, this crude's been trying to put in a bottom. And I said, I want to get risk free in this trade, and it's got to just go here. So we basically got short here, 45.60. I said take 5-6 ticks. Okay, initially go break even. Again, the market came up, came down again here. I said, look, you must be risk free in the trade. We want this thing to just go now after it came up a little bit. We were trying to get to this target. I said, if you got one contract, take it off. If you got more than one contract, go ahead and make sure you're risk free. Go minus whatever you took. If you took 5, go minus 4 or 5, and it was either going to follow through or it wasn't. It didn't. So up to 5-6 pennies on that one, or a total break even on the trade. Market came down again, came back up. We got long 45.74, and that one went up about 30 pennies before we closed the room. About 20 to my first target, and then I said I'd stick around here once this thing blasted up here, and I had to leave right after this green candle closed right here, and I just said you either take it off or try to get more, move your stop up. So someone would have probably got 20 anyway, or 30, up to 30 if they took it off originally when it popped up there. And that was a nice trade. And then kind of just went flat at lunch. In the ES, we got short at 55, and that was on the 842 candle. Took it down for 2 points. I put my target there at 275. I said that should get us at least a couple points. And then they do not have to go any lower here, and they did not. In fact, that was the low of the day to the tick. And that was a target. Market came up, we got long, thought about getting long sooner, but wanted to be really sure here since we're kind of up near all-time highs here. I think 64 something, 50 was the all-time high. We did get long here in the market at 60. That one went up 2 points, 59.75, 60. And that one made up to 2 points, and then that was it on that trade. So 2-point trade there, 2-point trade there. Small here, break even for some people who had more than one contract, and then a nice, up to 30 penny trade there. And we did miss one in gold because we were in another trade here, and I was looking at something that would have been a really nice trade. We had a short in gold. And that was actually, I'll show you that one, even though we weren't in it, right here, which was a beautiful trade here, that went, over, $6 or so, before the room closed, $6 bucks, and that was a beautiful trade as well. But we just missed it, and sometimes that happens when you got 3 markets coming in. But we're going to come back again tomorrow and do it all over again, and until then, guys, have a wonderful day, and we'll see you back tomorrow. Bye.